kind of student, she can separate a room for them.
But the student can study everywhere. Student can study everywhere. It's not matter that if there is not good result, so we should not study here. We should have experience of everything.
I understand what you mentioned. If the student is dedicated, I'm sure he is going to understand. But I'm talking about, there are some kind of distraction whenever we get. So we have to do something for that. And, working and working is not a single thing. For doing anything, you need some technology. You need kind of strategy too. Without strategy, even you can't study.
Okay, Amit wants to say.
So as you mentioned that if we separate the best students and the poor students in education, so definitely there would be no competition.
Hmm.
And as you all know about condition of section D, every school,
Correct.
they don't study, they just do the teaching at Asia and everything. So it will be like that.
This is what I wanted to
That's
explain.
why we should provide them environment where they will get some competition and definitely they start focusing over their self while learning others, that person is growing.
Okay, if you're talking about this section at all, why do we separate sections at all? Otherwise, we could have sat them in a single room where we could have talked. To compare them, to show them who you are not this much eligible to for that thing. So they will, right now I am not as much capable as you are. So I will get motivated from you. Like you are doing that such kind of thing that I can't do. So I will get motivated from you. Then I will also start doing that all stuff. Okay, because of if you are bad, I am too. Okay, I'm not going to enhance myself if I'm looking you. So I will also be, okay, I will ruin my life too as you are.
Yeah. So, but through the online classes you conduct like that, definitely there is no benefit of that because the teacher will explain, you will explain anything. So we'll get in a jiffy. But if any student, like he comes in there who doesn't know about anything, so definitely teacher will not focus over that person in the online class because there are huge amount of students.
I think you did not understand what I said.
No, because
yeah.
maybe you are not talking about what's the topic right now, technology.
Okay.
You didn't mention
No, I understand what you're talking about, but I'm talking about the separate thing. That is a part of technology, online classes. Okay. So there is a room, like this is cut out for those students who are not understandable. They cannot learn anything quickly. There are some students, those who are quick learner, there are some not. To them, we can separate a room and she can give more much time as compared to a quick learner. She can give to those who are not quick learner. To them, she can give
Okay,
much time.
Daniel.